Hello, welcome to my channel. I am about to make some homemade pizzas. Now that is some breakfast sausage I had the morning before, and I already cooked it. I'm gonna chop that up because I want my pizza. I made two pieces. This pizza crust, I don't even know the name of it, but that's Kroger brand pizza sauce. And I got this crust, and it came with two crusts just like that in a pack. So like I said, I'm sorry, y'all, I don't know the name of it. But I made my husband his own pizza, and then I made my own pizza. I'm making mine now. And mine is breakfast sausage. Is going to be my meat of choice. Now my husband's, he likes a lot of chicken. So his is gonna be a chicken pizza. So I'm gonna add some cheese. Now this is how they do, you got your sauce and you add your little cheese at the bottom. Now some pizza places, they might just have cheese at the bottom and that's it. They don't put no cheese on top of the toppings, but I did both for mine. And actually that's a little too much cheese, but I gotta be a little extra. So here I am dicing up the sausage so it's smaller and kind of bite-sized. Y'all see Max running back and forth through the kitchen. He's so nosy. And I'm going to get this chopped up as small as I can. And then I'm going to add some extra ingredients to add on top of that pizza. So let's see. I think I had onions and... you know what? I wish I had some bell peppers. I looked in the refrigerator because really I just used whatever's in the refrigerator. And I did not have any bell peppers. I had used them all up. So it could just be meat. I could just do the sausage and the cheese and call it a day. But I do like vegetables. So that's the onion I'm going to use. So I probably should have put that sausage in a bowl off to the side or something. Look at me trying to show y'all my skills. So I'm dicing up my little onion. Now I don't dice it. I like chunks of onions, so I leave it like little rings. I thought that would be kind of nice. Slithers. That's what they call onion slivers. And so I put some of those on there. I like a lot of onions, and I also like mushrooms. Oh, and I had some black olives too. So as I finished cutting up this onion, then I think I cut up the mushrooms next after this. They all in one place. So you want to spread that out. You want to spread those onions, all your ingredients. You want to spread your ingredients over the whole pizza, because when you get to cutting that pizza, you want it to be nice and your ingredients nice and even. Now, I don't know why I'm putting this meat on there now. Normally I put my meat on last. But for some reason, it's the second topping, or third topping if you count the cheese that I'm putting on there. But yeah, try to spread it on there nice and evenly, because I don't like it when I go to the pizza place and they cut it in the slices, and then before you know it, one slice barely got anything on it and the other slice got a ton of vegetables and stuff on it. I don't like that. All right, so now I'm about to chop up the next ingredient. There go my mushrooms. I like fresh mushrooms. So I'm going to chop those up. Those are going to go on next. This is really the most fastest, simplest way to make a pizza. It's really better if you pre-prep and have your vegetables already cut up, because that really makes it go fast. So that's me sprinkling on my mushrooms. I don't know about y'all, but this is looking really tasty. It did turn out good though. Okay, so here go my black olives. I really like black and green olives. Y'all hit me up down below. Let me know if you like black or green olives, or both. If you like me, I like both. And I told my husband to pick up black and green olives, but he didn't. But it's all good, because I'm going to work with what I got. So there I am, trying to get my black olives nice and even all around the pizza so that it be spread out. Now my pizza is looking kind of full right now, so you want to pat it down to get it nice, and you don't want it like looking like a mountain. You know, you want it to kind of be spread it out. Did I have any other ingredients in this? I think this might be it besides the cheese. Yeah, mushrooms, black olives. Oh, I was going to put some tomatoes, but I didn't put no tomatoes. So there I am with my cheese. Now, my husband, he don't like a lot of cheese, but I do. So I'm going to cover mine. Maybe a little, what they call it? They call it extra cheese. So there we go. You see me put my little extra cheese on. And I'm about to throw this mug in the oven. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Okay, so I just pulled my pizza out the oven. Doesn't that look delicious? I'm gonna zoom in a little close for you so you can kind of see. Look at that. Oh yeah. I'm telling y'all, I took my pizza to work. The crust was all crunchy. Look at that. I know your mouth is watering. Okay, I made hubby a chicken pizza. That's chicken, tomatoes, black olives, onions, mushrooms. And I gotta add a little bit of cheese on top. He don't like a lot of cheese. Just a little something, something. All right. Stay tuned. As you can see, hubby's pizza turned out so nice. Thanks for tuning in. Like and subscribe. Take care.